Hi, I'm Tyler.
Hi, I'm Dave.
And we're
Tyler and Dave.
This is our brand new Roadshow travel trailer. And while we have a schedule coming all around the US, we might come to a place near you.
Hey, Tyler, can they schedule it to come near them?
Of course. You can call us and schedule a roadshow at your warehouse or office space. We'll come to any city in the US.
So this is kind of like a roadshow, or this is kind of like a trade show on wheels.
It's a trade show on wheels.
Man alive, I love seeing our products go 65 miles an hour down the highway. Awesome. That's great.
We look forward to giving demonstrations and educational training. We'll see you soon.
Do look forward to seeing you. Thanks.
We're currently traveling the US, visiting our distributors and installers, offering both hands-on experience and hands-on training with our products. We're going to be coming through a town near you soon, but if you don't see us on your map, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to organize an event for both your customers and your installers to make sure you guys are getting the most out of our product and the best value for your customers.